Hello, and welcome to the e-learning library of the Erasmus Plus project Dance for Inclusion, where you will learn about dance as a powerful vehicle for inclusion. In this programme, you will learn about the use of dance as a means to promote inclusion, as well as understanding the role of dance in promoting cultural awareness and cohesion, recognising the value of cultural diversity in dance, and explore methods of working with cultural differences and how to tackle them in a positive and inclusive way. Today, let's discuss how the principles of dance support its value when using it as a tool to promote social inclusion. Number 1. Nonverbal and shared language development. Dance often uses nonverbal communication and can be an opportunity to indirectly help migrants or refugees improve their speech in the language of their new home. This can lead to increased confidence, which can help build relationships between participants. Number 2. You can incorporate the values of a particular dance genre into a practical dance class or theory session and reflect upon the values of a chosen dance. For example, the core principles of ballet technique focus on balance, coordination, strength, and poise. The principles of hip hop include peace, love, unity, and having fun. To some degree, all dance involves working together, trust, discipline, work ethic, and humility. These are wonderful themes to explore as a group in order to build connection. Number 3. Using dance to confront stereotypes. Facilitating spaces at a grassroots level for minorities to challenge assumptions and narratives relating to their gender, racial, religious, and other identities through both physical and creative methods to confront the stereotypes and expectations society has on them. Number 4. Demonstrating and showcasing ability. An exemplary dance integration project will encourage participants to create and engage in robust networks across a number of areas that include, encourage, and support minority communities to integrate within their larger communities. Through such activities, they can break barriers and demonstrate the abilities of minorities, promote a greater understanding of minority issues, and increase confidence in including minority people in their activities. Number 5. Finding a common interest in dancing culture. This could involve using trained volunteers to help minority participants reminisce in a group setting about their experiences of watching or performing dance, supported by memorabilia and resources defined by the participants' dancing interests and preferences. This could be followed by a period of physical activity with a range of movements and dance. This can reduce isolation through increasing social connections and build a greater sense of community belonging among participants. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something valuable. To continue this training and find more information on using dance as a method of inclusion, please watch our next video. Thank you. Bye.